When you do something for yourself, for your independency, you work as an independent, that is a trap. Somebody who starts a startup is not a trap. Somebody who runs a hawker is not a trap. Somebody who runs a small departmental store is not a trap. Somebody who runs a small stationery shop, not a trap. Somebody who runs a general provision store is not a trap. But the moment you use the term self employed, you are a trap. A startup owner is not a trap, but a self employed a person is a trap. Now, let me tell you why these people who preach that a self employed is a trap is because they want to say self employed has got nothing to do. But these people forget that what they are doing, they are also doing that same self service, they are also doing the same self work, they are also doing the same self employment. It's just that they have opened up a shop and they have, they have got some identity and they are running now, so they become like motivational gurus. It's ridiculous. Your own identity for past so many years you are running a business or you are planning to start a business. These people they come and they demoralize you. And they say you come and join my program 20,000, 5,000, 10,000. I will give you all tips and tricks and you will get into it. Business never happens on tips and tricks. Business happens on market, on real customer, on real environment, and to do business you will have to get into the real market. Just by attending seminar, conference, workshop, you will never be able to do business. Even listening to me and listening to my thoughts, you will not get business. But why I'm telling in this raw blog is, and yes, this is a complete raw blog, unedited, unscripted, anything. It's all real fact. People who tell self employment is a trap tell them one statement: you are also a self employed person. So never tell that we are a trap. If we are a trap, even you are a trap. You are a trapper who is trying to trap us saying self-employment is a trap. What the hell you are doing? You are also doing a self-employment. You are also selling me some stupid products. Tell them this and they will keep their mouth shut. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Siddharth welcoming you to your own channel Siddharth World. Today we are going to talk about why some people term self-employment as trap and other terms of business coins as legal and valid. Let's understand this and let's continue this. And your business overnight grows to a higher valuation of 100 million, 200 million, 500 million, 1000 million, billions of dollars are flowing because that's a start. But who started that startup? One individual or two individuals or a bunch of individuals. What are they? They are also self-employed. They got an idea. They worked on the idea. They went into a bunch of investors. They showed their plan. They presented their plan. They told this is what we are going to do. This is what they will do. And they got some money backing and they brought that money and they implemented in the business and they are flourishing. And just because you are also doing the same thing, you are also running a startup, but somebody, when they asked, you said, oh, I am a self-employed person. Well, so point of matter is between the words. Startup is not a self-trap, but a self-employed is a trap. Okay, very good. Then that means a hawker is an auto rickshaw driver is a trap. A delivery partner, whether it is any food aggregator platform, wherever he's working, when you order food from a restaurant, he goes, picks up the food for you, brings it to your doorstep, delivers it. Huh? Nobody knows whether he has eaten the food, whether he had his dinner or not. Leaving his kids behind, he is there at your delivery, he is there at your service for any amount of time, all because you are getting paid. He is getting paid and he is doing. So he is also doing a self-employment. So is it that because he's delivering food is a trap. If a food delivery partner is a trap, if a hawker is a trap, if a small auto driver is a trap, if the school bus driver is a trap, if the person who running a small tea stall or a small stationery shop or any kind of small shop, if it is a trap, then you all are at wrong. But if all these are meant for the bread and butter, for their family, for their living, for their survival, then tell these idiots and tell these nonsense toxic people who are telling that you all are a bunch of fools who are fallen into a trap and doing that and this. Tell them, shut your mouth, get out of it. You are not going to tell me what is that. If it is a trap, okay, I'm happy with that trap. Let me be in that. If I have created this situation, I will suffer it, I will rectify it, I will walk out of it, I will be profitable, I will be lost, whatever it is my headache, it is not your headache. You are no one because you are not paid me to start off this, you are not paid me to become a self-employed. I have become self-employed because I chose to become my own boss. Remember the word. Becoming your own boss is not a wrong choice, it is an individual choice and identity. And nobody has the right to question your identity. If somebody tells it is your identical mistake, tell them you are also in that same trap, you are also in that same boat, so shut your mouth and go back to your own territory. That's it for today. As promised, this is going to be a complete raw blog, unedited, going live on YouTube. Please go watch in your own channel Siddharth World and do check out and put your comment down in the comment section. And if you have already subscribed, please do share the channel link and share the video and tell others to subscribe, because you will get always such videos will be on different topics which I believe people should be knowing, and in genuinity, not by rosy picture, oh this will happen, that will happen. No bullshit here. This is your own channel and this is your own platform. Whichever matter you want to discuss, let me know in the comment. I will put a video for you. You want to join me? Come join me in a session and let's take this forward. Because nobody is more powerful than you yourself. You can build yourself, you can destroy yourself. Never let somebody else to destroy you. Thank you very much. This is Raj signing off for now. At the end, I will always say one thing. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. See you, good night, tomorrow morning with a new blog.